What if I told you that there is a way to make silly money with digital products that no one is sharing? You might think that you've cracked the code by selling digital product, but the truth is digital products for a one-off sale. And I found a way to not only make digital product sales, but to ensure that you are getting reoccurring income long into the future. So you won't want to miss everything I'm about to share, because I'll tell you, you're leaving a ton of money on the table if you're not doing this. By the way, if you're new here, hey, I'm Jo, and I help creators with freelancing, passive income, and tech. When I first got into selling digital products, I thought I'd found the ultimate gold mine. I was making sales, it felt really good, but then one month I didn't make as many digital product sales that I did the previous month. And I thought, hang on, what is with that? I really did think that I had absolutely cracked the passive income code, and I knew I was on the right path and that digital products were really where I wanted to focus, and they were one of the smartest things to sell, but there was just something that I was missing. But let's get into the why of digital products. Really, because they take up no physical space, they often cost little to nothing to create, and they have limitless scalability, and that's why I love them. But I'm sure you already know all of that. Now, there's nothing quite like the thrill of seeing that you got a sale notification pop up on your phone. But here's the thing, there's something even bigger that I found out, and you're probably missing it. Something that could massively impact your future business success. And that's by pairing your digital products with a tool that not only supports your sale, but also keeps the income flowing long after that first sale has begun. And that magical tool is called System.io. So before we go any further, don't forget to check the description below of the video for a free trial of System.io and get some killer free digital product resources to help you start your digital product journey. Okay, so here's what I've discovered and created that makes this entire approach so valuable. You need to create your digital product and align yourself with the right tool, and make sure that that tool has a good affiliate program and had a strong marketing plan. So first things first, you need a solid digital product, whether it's a template, an online course, or even a printable, basically anything. Make sure that it provides real value, is well researched, and meets the specific needs of your audience. If you don't have any digital products, I've got one for you which teaches you all about how to create your own digital product, and you can resell it as your own digital product. I've packed as much value in it as I can for you. Now, whatever digital product you have, that is your foundation. And next, you need to align yourself with the right tool. You need to pair selling your digital product with a tool like System.io that not only has recurring income potential, but also complements selling your product in a streamlined way. Why? Because one-off sales are really great, but recurring income is where the real magic happens. When the tool aligns with your digital product and your business and how you run things, it becomes a seamless part of your digital marketing, and it just makes it so much easier to sell, and it's way more valuable to customers. And to tell you the truth, if you're finding something helpful, so will others. And when the recurring affiliate payments come in from System.io and that money keeps coming in month after month, you will definitely see the reward. So how do we make sure a tool has a good affiliate program? Well, here's where it gets even better. System.io has an amazing affiliate program. Not only is it versatile and beginner friendly, it offers a 60% recurring commission. Yes, you've heard that right, 60% recurring payments. So every time someone signs up through your link and you get paid again and again, for as long as they're signed up. Now, the cool thing is that the more you learn, the more you can teach others, and then everyone grows together, and you can really foster a cool community. Now, the last thing that you need to do is you really need to have a strong marketing plan. Don't just throw your digital products out there willy-nilly. You need to be really strategic. Choose one social media platform that aligns with your personality, how much time you had, how you like to use that social media platform, and then go all in. You want to focus your energy on mastering that platform, creating content that resonates with your audience, and use a platform that you know that you can consistently show up on. Because you want to show up and you want to share all your knowledge, solve their problems, and give them your digital products. And honestly, it's not about picking a platform that everyone else is on or doing what everyone else is doing. It's about finding the right strategy that works for you and finding out what is going to suit your lifestyle, and then just really going for it and not giving up. And just a quick reminder, if you're ready to start making money with digital products, grab your free trial of System.io in the description, along with my digital product resources. Okay, so let's talk about why the strategy works so well. Now, the real magic really happens when you combine a tool like System.io with your digital products, and you can do this in so many different ways. Now remember, System.io is your all-in-one marketing platform, It's perfect for digital product sellers. Now, not only does it provide you with the tools to create, market, and sell your digital products, but it also offers that incredible 60% recurring commission affiliate program that I mentioned. This means you're not just making that one-time digital product sale. If you can recommend using System.io within your products to help someone else, you can build a long-term income stream that will just keep on growing. And unlike trending diets, people often stick with software and tools and have to stick with them long term because it really becomes an essential part of business. And once you find something that really helps and really works, you never really want to look back. All of this is totally making sense, right? The other thing you can do is you can also create your own affiliate program for your own digital product. And you can do that with System.io too. It's like having a virtual sales team working for you without the hassle of hiring and managing staff. So overall, your strategy should not just be about creating digital products and just selling once. It's about setting up a system that continues to generate income over time. Now, if you're wondering, well, Jo, how do I integrate all of this strategy with digital products and System.io? Well, I've got a few ideas. Email newsletters. When you're promoting your digital products, most likely you have an email list. Well, I hope you do. So when you send out your regular newsletters to your audience, you can include a System.io affiliate badge. It's a subtle yet effective way to drive signups. You can create a System.io template. Now, most likely if you are capturing email addresses and selling digital products with System.io, you would have created a funnel. You can sell that funnel as a digital product or give it away for free. And when someone buys or signs up, your affiliate link through System.io is attached to that person. And if they upgrade, you will get that commission. Create your own version of the System.io badge. If you don't want to sell templates and you don't want to display the System.io badge, you can also make your own System.io badge. And you can add that on any funnel that you have created and just add your affiliate link on it. And you can add your own badge in the footer or in the header or anywhere on your System.io funnel. Selling Canva templates. When you sell your Canva template, it doesn't matter really what it is. It could be an ebook, a social media template, basically anything that you've created in Canva. You could include a back page that tells people about your favorite tools and recommend what tools they should use and include your System.io affiliate link. The next idea is online courses. If you've got an online course, consider incorporating System.io right from the start by making it necessary for students to sign up for it when they need to enter the course. For example, when I bought a course called The Roadmap, you were redirected to a page that was actually specific to that person with all these course materials provided that you actually needed to access and sign up for before you actually got access to the course. Because everything that was provided on that page, you were going to actually need to use the course. Now, it seems a little bit intense when I'm explaining it, but when I was doing it, the approach and how it was actually done, System.io really integrated really well into that process. And it made it seem really seamless. Social media marketing. And don't forget about social media marketing. Part of promoting your digital products is probably using platforms like Pinterest, Instagram, TikTok, or even on YouTube. You can easily add your affiliate link to your social media bios and content. Now, these are just a few ideas, but you can really get creative with it. The best thing to do is to do what feels really natural to you and include it in your digital products where it actually fits for you and your audience. Remember, by using a tool like System.io alongside your digital products, you're not just creating passive income, you're building recurring revenue and turning your digital product sales into a powerhouse. Essentially, you're building a freaking empire. Now that you know how to make silly money with digital products, it's time to take action. Don't wait, grab that free trial of System.io from the description below, use all the resources that I had, and start future-proofing your income now. If you enjoyed my content today, please make sure to like and subscribe. Leave me any questions or comments in the comment section below of the video. I try and answer every single one of them. And make sure to check out this video here because it's definitely going to help you level up even better.